yung base mo.
High voltage cables buried below.
Shebangs! Lang, haba ng bangs ko, di ko makita.
Tangawiin mo.
Ito. Kailangan ko ng clip.
Ayun o, yun o, may isa.
Ano yung basit mo?
4 a.m. in the morning, I'm calling you, baby, please come over. Let's get on the vibe, let's make love tonight. Don't give me your bullshit, baby, just tell me pretty
Gano'ng karami?
lies.
Depende rin sa inyo.
Hold me closer, keep me away from reality. Let's not talk about it, I just wanna feel your body. Come on, baby, let's do it. Together we can get through it.
Kamag-anak siya ng?
Nung sinasalad na sir. Pero talagang eto yung
Sinasalad
ginagawa.
na pako?
Oo. Pero
If you
hindi
want
siya
to
yung
mess
sinasalad.
around, don't tell me.
Talagang
Every
ginagawa
time
mo
you
siya.
ride around, I'm blazing. I'm aware you're telling lies, but I wear to close my eyes. On the bed, I won't deny. Yeah, oh, babe, you do me right. Yeah, oh, babe, you do me right. On the bed, I won't deny. Yeah, oh, babe, you do me right. Stop playing games. Tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you're feeling. Just let the moment take us. These confessions won't break us. It could only make us. It could only make us. Come on, baby, let's do it. Together we can get through it. Ooh.
What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? Sleeping on your bedroom floor, I let my feelings wash ashore.
Okay na ako.
You told me I'm projecting, and I don't move with much direction anymore. I don't know what I'm looking for. I can't believe I care. Soon I wanna pinky swear I'm leaving, I'll call you when I'm there. What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you, the compass and my tennis shoes, and find you holding someone else's heart?
Naisipan nilang gawin ito ng mga sinaunang ibatan dahil wala nga pong payong, walang papote ng araw. So ito yung kanilang na-invento. Kumbaga, protection nila sa init ng araw at ulan, lalo na pag nag-garden ka na, nag-gardening. Ito. After nga po pala nilang isuyot or para i-brush, ano nila, ibinibilad nila sa init ng araw para matuyo. Saglitan lang naman po. And then, saka na rin, tatanggalin nila yung pinaka-stock ito, para ito lang yung matira. Isang part lang malambot. Yun yung gagamitin na nila pang start na nila mag-habit. At ito naman ay yung ating walis. Yan. Dito. Yung mahahaba nito, tatlo. Tatlong mahahaba, tapos sinuklay lang nila. You need to, bumaba para makawalis. Kasi wala. Hindi lang ito para sa bukid. Yung araw, kahit pugto sila sa galaan, simba, lagi nilang bit-bit ito. Kailangan mong gumawa nung unang panahon ng ganito. Kasi, yun nga, parang nakakayamang hiram-hiram lang. Kasi, personal na gamit nga po ito. Sa light materials, see to it na secure lagi siya pag bumikay. Existing chapel yun na
Cut off people I don't know. Cut off all the people I know too well. Cut off those ties with my old self. Yeah. Don't wanna look back no more. Need a verse like these days. Press rewind, pause, and hit replay. Take the time to fall in love with myself.